before this video starts, this isn't planned. He's saying I'm doing something, and I don't get it. I just put these bolts on, and I gotta put this on next.
You gotta put one on it?
Yes.
That goes on next?
Yes. I just gotta make sure everything is right.
You get it now, right?
No, not really.
No? Okay, we'll keep going then.
Oh no. Is I think I gotta put that on here.
Huh? What?
I gotta put this on here, you stupid. Oops. Where'd it go?
Now, about an hour ago, I showed him how to put one back together. And he put one back together. This is an hour later, putting a saw back together. Goldfish.
I don't get it.
Oh, I know. You gonna get it.
Am I missing something really stupid right now or something?
Oh, this is gonna be
Am I
great.
gonna look like an absolute idiot after
Oh,
this
this
or
is gonna
something?
be great.
I'm doing it in the order. I know I gotta put those on.
And I'm gonna show you Mama.
Okay. She's just gonna be like, ooh, look at that boy. Boy, he can work on everything. He's brain smart right there. He don't ever mess anything up. He don't ever put anything on in the right order. Wait. Oh, so I gotta screw that on. Oh, I can just twist that in there. Okay. After I put that on there. Okay. I thought I was putting that on the wrong order.
Boy, I sure am glad you didn't put it on in the wrong order. Oh, no, carry on, sir. This is great.
I don't understand the meaning of this. Will she come to join the party too?
Yeah, Portia likes to laugh too.
Oh, he left me. Oh, he's over. What? Where are you?
That's how one's supposed to look.
What'd you say?
Huh? What? What are we talking
What'd
about?
you say?
I didn't say anything. I had a little frog in my throat. I had to clear it out.
What'd you say, Daddy?
I got it.
That's so fake.
I got it.
You idiot. You have to put this here. That's why you looked at me crazy earlier. It's like, you stupid. You don't put that on there. You put that on there. That was what you looked at me weird about, right?
Oh no, this is big. This is big time.
Okay. Okay, first of all, that don't even fit on. I don't see the crucial step I'm missing. So you can't put that on there. The bolts are on there. I mean, oh my.
Yep, that's the moment I've been waiting on. Yep. So, Mr. Hayes, how do you feel at this moment? Oh yeah, that is the way it's supposed to go. Yeah, I only showed you this like an hour ago. Did you forget something?
I don't know. I think so.
Don't something supposed to...
There's only one. Why is there only one up there? Well,
Because you want to act crazy and knock shit over.
What you talking about?
Where's they supposed to go?
You're supposed to be going like this. I don't know. I'm brainwashed.
I think you need some help.
I'm brainwashed.